The transformation of the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, the QEH, has commenced with the renovation and expansion of the Accident and Emergency Department, the AED. This project, which is expected to be completed over the next 14 months, will see an additional 9,000 square feet to the existing AED to create a total of 18,000 square feet of a new and improved facility. During the scheduled works, the public can expect temporary changes to the entrance and exit gates of the QEH, the entrance of the Accident and Emergency, and some parking restrictions. AED ushers will be deployed on the ground to better assist the public with the navigation of these changes. All measures will be put in place to minimize any environmental issues that may arise, including the elevated noise levels, minor vibrations, and dust. The newly renovated and expanded AED facility will be a safer, more comfortable, patient-friendly environment for persons seeking medical care. The Board of Management of the QEH apologizes for the inconvenience and thanks the public for their patience and support.